Hello guys, and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we are looking at the Goul Guys deck. Now this deck's been designed by 11-year-old Elijah Hayles, son of Sam Hayles, Dose Prod, the man behind the Carnival decks. Yeah, I'm struggling not to call him his protege, to be honest, because he's taken sort of what his dad does. He sort of followed in his footsteps and started out with his art journey, really. I mean, Sam, as I mentioned before, does plenty of graphic design, he does album artwork and things like that. But he would have started somewhere. And I mean, for myself, I know a couple of artists that started off as young kids, drawing and coming up with these awesome ideas straight from their heads. Elijah appears to have done that, but then incorporated it with what his dad does and come up with this awesome deck. It was a Kickstarter campaign, it was funded, they went ahead, and it was boom, it's here. Now I ordered these cards directly from Sam himself, and he decided to send me a few freebies. So we got like the Dose logo, some Voodoo playing cards sticker, a couple of Dose stickers, the Hypnotic deck sticker from that's pretty cool. I really appreciate that. So if you watch this, Sam, thank you. Also, this was in there, and I don't know if it's supposed to be, but it looks like a Lego tile. But I was intrigued to see whether this is actually one of the cards of the deck. So this deck, like all decks, I'm going to give you a quick show of the tuck case. So we've got Goul Guys playing cards, every card uniquely illustrated by 11-year-old Elijah Hayles. So we've got some of the awesome characters at the side there. Playingcarddex.com, distributed by playingcarddex.com. Some more awesome artwork there. And on the top there, custom coloured seal. Some more of the cool characters. Looking at the back there, it's a bit psychedelic. I love it. I'm going to crack it open and have a proper look. I'm going to pause the video while I get this open. And we're in. So, inside the tuck case, we've got another one of his cool characters there. Yeah, it reminds me a little bit of Flanimals, which is a book that Ricky Gervais did, which was really cool. I love the 5 of spades on the inside. Always good to be able to incorporate a magic trick into the deck. Let's have a look here. Okay, so the deck's in random order. So yeah, I've not seen that before. A deck that's not in a new deck order. So that's really cool. I mean, there may be jokers in here, but I'm not sure because traditionally they'd be at the front or the back, and these aren't. So here we've got some of the artwork. Now, I mean, he's gone to extreme lengths to ensure the detail on these. See, like the texture around the outside of the eyes and the shadowing. The blades, put detail on. And I love the way that the character is sort of behind and in front of some of the pips. Just brilliant. It'd be awesome if he maybe released a little book or maybe a blog or part of a website, maybe where he sort of names the characters and tells you a little bit about them. It's fun. It's fun, and it's a really unique deck. I like the way, you know, every single card's got a character. I don't know, it just, for me, it really gives it makes it very, very unique. I mean, apart from the fact it was designed by an 11-year-old. So cool, the way the pips are sort of in front, they almost merge into that design. A bit angry. That guy's got a lot going on, hasn't he? I love the way it comes out of the new deck order. Love it. It sort of adds a bit of chaos to the world of these monsters. I don't know if you call them monsters. I mean, when I was his age, they would probably be my friends. Now, it makes it hard actually for me to do what I do at the end of a lot of my videos, because usually I'd take the ace of spades and I'd lay it down and I'd show you the back design next to it. But there's so many cool designs in this deck. It's hard for me to decide which one to put, because usually a lot of decks are unique, but there's only one real proper customized card in some, where they have a lot of standard faces and then they'll have the ace of spades. But I mean, let's get into the back here. So now this looks like just an amalgamation of chaos. I mean, look at some of that. Now I like the fact it's very, very multicoloured. You know, there's a lot in there. I mean, purple's my favourite colour anyway, so I love the Goul Guys tuck case. But oh, it's just so nice. And it's made by the United States Playing Card Company, so it's got that awesome handling. Oh, it's just so nice. It's such a unique deck, and I mean, from a fan like this, you'd never know. You'd never know there was all this chaos behind the scenes of some of these guys just lurking in the shadows. I mean, just think of the pure man hours spent in taking these designs from your own head and actually putting them down on paper, colouring each one in. I mean, look at the length he's gone to in filling that in. He's not got his dad to Photoshop that. You know, he's full on dedicated time to ensuring that that's coloured in by hand. I mean, check the leg hair on this dude. Wowzers. I'm so impressed. I've decided to sort of show some of this chaos off. This is going to be my thumbnail, I think. Instead of doing what I normally do, the one card on display and having the tuck case out, you're getting the full-on thumbnail treatment here, Elijah. So yeah, I'm just massively impressed, like genuinely impressed. You know, yes, his dad designs playing cards as part of what he does, but he didn't design these monsters. Elijah did. These have come out of his head, and it's just incredible the amount of effort that he's gone into these designs. These are not haphazard. These are not slapdashed, and they've not been photoshopped and finished by his dad. You know, he's put in some real effort, and I think it really shows. I'd like to see what else is going to come from young Elijah there. It's going to be really interesting to see, because he's going to go far. I think he's done a phenomenal job. Top notch, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time where we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.